Everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to start a new chapter for the LEED Green Associate exam, and it is Energy and Atmosphere. So without any further delays, we can move on to our presentation. Well, this category holds the highest weightage among all the categories with 33 points, including 4 prerequisites and 7 credits in total. In this lecture, we will cover one prerequisite and a related credit. The prerequisite is fundamental commissioning and verification, and the credit is enhanced commissioning, which offers 6 points. The intent of this prerequisite is to support the design, construction, and eventual operation of a project that meets the owner's project requirements for energy, water, indoor environmental quality, and durability. Now let's look into the requirement. So we need to complete commissioning process activities for mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and renewable energy systems and assemblies in accordance with ASHRAE Guideline 2005 and ASHRAE Guideline 1.1 2007 for HVAC and R systems, as they are related to energy, water, indoor environmental quality, and durability. Please note the guidelines. ASHRAE Guidelines 2005 and ASHRAE Guideline 1.1 2007. Who is Commissioning Authority? Well, a commissioning authority can be a qualified employee of the owner, an independent consultant, or an employee of the design or construction firm who is not part of the project design or construction team, or a disinterested subcontractor of the design or construction team. By the end of design development phase, engage a commissioning authority with the following qualification, like for projects smaller than 20,000 square feet. The commissioning authority may be a qualified member of the design or construction team. In all cases, the commissioning authority must report his or her finding directly to the owner. For the credit, the commissioning authority may not be an employee of the design or construction firm, nor a subcontractor to the construction firm. The commissioning authority must do the following things. Number 1, review the OPR, BOD, and the project design. OPR is owner's project requirement and BOD is basis of design. Then develop and implement a commissioning plan. Confirm incorporation of commissioning requirements into the construction document. Develop construction checklist. Develop a system test procedure. Verify system test execution. Maintain and issue the benefits log throughout the commissioning process. Prepare the final commissioning process report. And finally, document all findings and recommendations and reports directly to the owners throughout the process. The credit related to the previous prerequisite is fundamental commissioning and verification. It can get up to 6 points. The intent is to further support the design, construction, and eventual operation of a project that meets the owner project requirements for energy, water, indoor environmental quality, and durability. In order to achieve this credit, implement or have in place a contract to implement the following commissioning process activities in addition to those required under Energy and Atmosphere prerequisite, fundamental commissioning and verification. There are different options to achieve this credit. Option 1 is enhanced system commissioning with 3 to 4 points, and for option 1 there are 2 paths to achieve this, and this is part 1. Path 1 is enhanced commissioning with 3 points. So part 1 says that need to complete the following commissioning process activities for mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and renewable energy system and assemblies under ASHRAE Guideline 2005 and ASHRAE guideline 1.1 to 2007 for HVAC and R system as they relate to energy, water, indoor environmental quality and durability. Please note the ASHRAE guideline 2005 and ASHRAE guideline 1.1 2007, and it is related to energy, water, indoor environmental quality and durability. Next is part 2, which is enhanced and monitoring based commissioning, which has 4 points. To achieve this path, we need to initially achieve path 1 and then develop monitoring based procedure and identify points to be measured and evaluated to assess the performance of energy and water consuming system. So it includes all enhanced commissioning tasks in OPR, that is Owner's Project Requirement, and BOD, that is Basis of Design. Well, option 2 to achieve this credit is envelope commissioning, and it can run up to 2 points. To achieve this option, we need to fulfill the requirement in energy and atmospheric prerequisite fundamental commissioning and verification as they apply to the building's thermal envelope, in addition to mechanical and electrical systems and assemblies. First, we need to complete the following commissioning process activities for building thermal envelope in accordance with ASHRAE Guideline 0 to 2.0 2005 and National Institute of Building Science Guideline 3 2012. Exterior enclosure technical requirement for the commissioning process as they related to energy, water, indoor environmental quality and durability. So please note these guidelines. So that's the end of today's lecture. Tomorrow we will continue with the remaining credits. Till then, bye. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe to my channel.